Horns up and welcome to a brand new episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Have I got a sweet treat for you? Today's recipe is lemon and poppy seed muffins, and oh yes, these are keto friendly and delicious. And what's great about them is, well, you can use them as a snack, you can have them for breakfast with your coffee, or like me, you can have it after your lunch as a dessert. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, let's go and make these keto lemon and poppy seed muffins. So the first thing we're going to do is mix our dry ingredients in a bowl, and I'm starting out with some almond flour. To that, I'm going to add a tablespoon and a half of poppy seeds, some baking powder, a pinch of salt, and the zest of one lemon. And of course, for some reason, I decided to do the zesting on camera, so enjoy. After that, give it all a good mix. Just use a fork. You want to make sure that all the ingredients are well incorporated together. Try and break up any lumps that you see in the almond flour so that you have a smoother batter. Once that's done, on to the wet ingredients. So we're going to start with 85 grams of softened butter, to which I'm going to add half a cup of my sweetener, and then I'm going to beat them together. Now I'm using a sweetener called Sucrin Gold, which I have powdered before using, because keto sweeteners don't seem to dissolve very well, hence it's always better to powder your sweetener. Anyway, once that's done, I'm going to add in about 85 grams of sour cream. You can also use yogurt if you don't have sour cream, and then I'm going to give it all a good whisk once again. Now that it's whisked together, I'm going to add in some vanilla extract. I'm going to crack in 2 whole eggs. And then I'm going to give it all a good whisk once again. Now that it's whisked together, I'm going to add the juice of 1 full lemon. Now, I didn't have a juicer, so I tried to do the fancy chef way of juicing it, where you juice it over your hands and no seeds fall inside. And well, can you blame me? I've never juiced a lemon in my entire life. I've juiced limes and I have a lime juicer, but I don't have a lemon juicer. Anyway, once that's done, make sure you whisk it all together. Now, I gotta be honest, my mixture started looking a little weird, like almost like the sour cream had split. And this is the first time that I'm making this recipe. So I was a little worried, but I said, you know what? Forget about it. Let's go on with it. Anyway, once I mixed everything, then I added the dry ingredients and I gave it all a good whisk. And then my batter came together just fine. So everything looked good. I whisked it all together and my batter was ready. Now it's time to bake these, and I'm using a baking tray with some cupcake liners. And since mine has only 6, I had to use 2 separate little steel bowls in which I could put the cupcake liners, and then I just portioned out the batter. And well, I was not very good at it. I should have ideally weighed out each cupcake liner so I would have had even muffins. But hey, I'm just eyeballing it, and if all goes well, they will all be even and well uniform. But hey, it's all good. Anyway, once that's done, I'm going to put it into a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius, and then let it cook for about 25 to 30 minutes. And once it gets closer to the end of the cooking, not like the end of life, take your toothpick, poke the cupcake, and if it comes out clean, it's probably done. Remember, it's always better to undercook it a wee bit than to overcook it. And that's it, my friends. After about 30 minutes, our keto lemon and poppy seed muffins are ready, and they look delicious. So you can have this for breakfast, you can have it as a snack, or you can have it for dessert. And I'm just going to open up one of these for you. Have a look at that. It looks pretty good to me. Anyway, enough jibber jabber, time to taste. Alright folks, so it's time to taste the lemon and poppy seed muffin. And it looks nice and soft and, well, moist, which is the most important thing. Anyway, time to dig in. Oh, yum. It's got this lovely brown crust on the top. I don't know if you can see it. It's got a lovely, come on you camera, autofocus. Anyway, it's got that lovely brown crust. It is moist. I will say this though, it is a bit crumbly, but I guess that happens with almond flour. But it is delicious. And those poppy seeds, they just like burst in your mouth. Absolutely delicious. And you know what? Half a muffin is more than enough for me for dessert. Anyway, enough jibber jabber. I will see you on the next episode of Headbanger's Kitchen. Cheers and keep cooking. Or eat like I do. Hey guys, do you like muffins? Well, let me know what your favorite muffin flavor is in the comments below, and maybe I'll try and make a keto version of it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the episode. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I guess I will see you guys on the next episode.